Hi everyone, this is Kevin. Today let's discuss everyone's favorite topic, regex. What is regex or regular expressions? Let's talk about it. What is regex? Regex or regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. Regex can be used to check if a string contains a specific search pattern. This is the description straight from W3 Schools. Regex is a way we can match patterns in strings. So a practical example here is this pattern of a cellular mobile phone number. If we ask a user to put a certain input in and we need to check, hey, was this really a number that they put in, we can use regex to check that. So here, if we had to run this cell phone pattern on ABC lorem ipsum, obviously it's not a match. That's not a number. But it's something more like 1, 2, 3 at the bottom here. That would be more of along the lines of what we're hoping for. Another example could be, did they supply us with their first and last name? So this is a very basic example. It'll be n number of letters followed by a space followed by n number of letters. So ABC lorem ipsum almost matches, but there's 3 sets of words. 3 words here, where something like John Smith, that matches our pattern. So that's what regex is. There are a lot of ways to use regex. There are a lot of fancy search characters and very unique ways that we can match patterns with regex. So he has a great cheat sheet made by Dave Child, and it shows all the different operations that you can do with regex. We're going to cover some of the basics in this video. One thing I want to stress is there's a lot to regex. You don't have to hard memorize everything. Just know that that operation exists. So when you need to make up a pattern, you can recall it. So let's look at some regex. If we wanted to match the pattern hello, as in just hello, is the string equal to hello? Then we can set our regex to hello, and it will match hello. We can put an or in there, so if it matches hello or hi. Here's an example where we can use the question mark operation. So whether U exists or not, match color. Very cool. Let's look at more basics. The asterisk will do any number of the operation in front of it. So the operation right in front of the asterisk is O. So any number of O before will pass this pattern. So GGLE will pass, or Google will pass, or Google will pass. Now similarly, we got the plus here, but the plus requires at least 1. So GGLE would not pass this pattern, but GOGLE would pass. And on the same point with counting, we can give an explicit number. So if we wanted 3 A's, we can put curly brackets 3 and it would match exactly 3. Here we can do a range 3 to 5, and that would match 3 A's, 4 A's, and 5 A's. /D will match digits 0 to 9. And here is an example of hi followed by a new line and there. Matches hi followed by a new line and there. So this is similar to the hello example, where there isn't much dynamicness to it. It's hard-coded, hi, new line there. And for our last example, we can use the caret symbol to match at the beginning of the string. In this case, the string starts with hello. We can use a dollar symbol to check the string ends. In this case, ends with hello. And we can use a caret and a dollar to match a string entirely. And that's regex and the basics and a quick touch on it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.